Hey guys, Tony here. Good afternoon. How you doing? I did want to update you guys just because a little thing that I've noticed in the last run that we actually just had. One of the biggest movers that I've seen is actually XRP. I don't currently hold any XRP, but it's been moving pretty hard and pretty fast towards the upside. I can easily see XRP running back to, $2 definitely sometime soon. The market cap is obviously a little bit under 50 billion, but as far as big movers in the last couple of days, it definitely has to be ADA, Matic, what else moved? XRP, obviously Ethereum, because Ethereum Classic hasn't really moved at all, and I think that's kind of it. I really don't think a lot of the other crypto have moved as much as the other ones. I guess you can just look down here, but Matic, ADA, but yeah, definitely Matic, ADA, and XRP. I would have to go with Stellar Lumen just because XLM is basically kind of XRP. But as far as the biggest movers that I've seen, they're either very heavy on the Ethereum platform or XRP. So kind of weird to see that, really, where Bitcoin hasn't really moved all that much, right? Bitcoin has kind of been trading sideways since, not really sideways, but kind of sideways up for the last week, whereas XRP has really gone super sky high. Cardano, again, for the last week, basically ran up to craziness again. Matic, the same thing. And Stellar Lumens is following the trajectory of XRP, but again, it's kind of fun. It's kind of weird to see that, and interesting that most of the coins that are running are Ethereum based or XRP, and that's it. So if it's based on Cardano, not based on Ethereum, but it's basically the competitor to Ethereum, right? And I would basically consider Cardano like the Pepsi to the Coke. But again, it's very interesting to see that most of the Ethereum based tokens are running, and obviously Cardano because it's the main competitor, but it's really just Ethereum based platform and XRP competitors, and that's it. At least everything's moving up, but for the most part, the big difference is really just Ethereum and XRP. So super interesting to see. I'll see you guys later.